Hey, today we're going to talk about the 12 ideas on how you grow your audience on live stream. Let's get started. Hi, it's me, Henry, and welcome to my channel, a channel to provide values for those who want to improve their speaking skills and bring more impacts to the audience. Just like today, we're going to talk into detail, step by step, on how you're going to grow your audience on live stream. For those who are new here, you may consider to watch the video, the foundation, the basic on how you're going to be confident on the camera and what are the mistakes you should avoid and what are the things that you need to improve. And now I understand that you want to make live stream for purpose. There are different people, different purpose. Some people, they just want to raise their awareness, and some people, they just want to build their reputation, their publicity, and some people, they want to make money, they want to do business. Now, first of all, what you need is the quantity, the audience first, the target audience, the niche audience. You're gonna attract all this audience to your live stream from the quantity, and slowly you convert them into the quality audience, which means your buyer, your purchaser. And today we're going to talk into detail which indicator that we need to look at to make sure our audience attention on us. And when you are doing live stream, you may not see the response from the audience, you may not know what they are doing. The only indicators for you to know whether the audience is paying attention on you or not is the audience number and the audience comments, response, and the shares and the view. And these are the things to tell you your performance. And if your viewers number is not growing but is dropping, then something is wrong that you need to fix it. And at this point, I assume your title is correct, your hook is correct, you have already promoted your live stream, you have notified your fans, you have done everything. So people, they are coming into your live stream. And at first, you have the big number, and then suddenly it drops. So which means you are doing something which is not right. Perhaps your audience didn't get what they want. Perhaps you are out of the topic during your live stream. Perhaps they get bored. So you need to do something to make sure they are engaged and stay on the line, keep watching at your live stream. Because you need to know there's so many people out there doing the live stream. But again, the question, the $1,000,000 question is why you? Why I need to stay here and continue to watch your live stream? There must be a reason. And right now, I'm going to share with you the 12 ideas that you can do during the live stream and to make sure they continue to stay on the line, to continue to watch your live stream until the end. And you're going to stay until the end of this video and to grab all those ideas and use it in your live stream. And here we are, idea number 1. Tease your audience with the contents. For example, if you are selling the seafood, you're going to tell your audience what is the next fish, what is the next seafood, what is the next item that your audience, they're getting very excited. Yes, I want to know the next thing. If you're saying the next fish is the codfish, wow, how big is the codfish? Tease your audience that you gotta pay attention on the next item that you're looking for. Tease them with the hints. Tease your audience so that they will continue to stay. Yes, I want the next item, so I better stay here. I want to beat your next item. I won't buy your next item. So tease your audience. And this is an example for the seafood. It could be anything. It could be the gadget. It could be the camera. For example, you are selling a smartphone and you are selling this model. So up next, you're going to tease your audience. The next phone is iPhone. It's the latest product and this is a stunning color, limited color that you're looking for. So your audience gets so excited, can't wait to see the next item. And then this is where you can continue to grab your audience attention and get them to continue to stay on the line. You need to make your audience feel worth to continue to wait for the next item because you have something special with a good price and a good product quality. And this is the reason your audience, they will continue to stay on the line and to watch your live stream because you have something special compared to the others. And idea number 2, you can reward your audience by asking your audience to share your live stream. And for those who share the live stream, you stay the chance to win the lucky draw, the lucky prizes. And for those who share, there is a sharer on top of the name. So you can take this opportunity to reward them with a lucky draw or a special discount, special promotion on your certain item, so that they will make this kind of move to help you to share. And this is indirectly can promote your live stream and to attract more people to jump into a live stream because you have something special. Just imagine you already have idea number one, the special product and the good price, and the next thing is that you can get this idea and to get more audience jump into the live stream, and it can bring more and more audience into your live stream. So when you are ready with all those skills in the previous videos that I have mentioned, and this is time for you to run the show, it's your show time. Well, I can tell you this idea most of the time it works because I've already tested, I used it before, and I've seen a lot of people they're doing the same technique. And you may consider to take this idea and apply in your live stream. It really works, trust me. And idea number three, you can make a live stream a little bit longer. When we talk about what is the best length for your live stream, it is pretty hard for us to determine, but at least 30 minutes or 1 hour and above. Let me call you an example for the live stream which is too short, but with the good ideas, with the good product. Example, you start your live stream 30 minutes and you have all the bombastic items and promotion, but you need to accept the fact that not many people they are punctual, not many people they can reach on time. Sometimes they're busy, they might late a little bit to go into a live, and you just end on time. 30 minutes means 30 minutes. There's no bandwidth for your audience, so sometimes you may miss a little bit. And for some streamers or some people, some speaker, they will give about 15 minutes for interaction, to warm up, to wait for more viewers or audience to your live stream. So sometimes just give a little bit more time. And this is an example for a short live stream. What about too long? When we talk about too long, it's boring because you already drag too long on the same topic, on the same content. People will find nothing new and nothing special because you keep talking about the same thing, and people they will start leaving. And don't keep on repeating the same thing over and over and over again to the audience, because you need to take care of two groups of people. One is existing your loyal fans, which is already stay on the line to watch your live stream. And if you keep talking the same thing and they find no values on your live stream anymore, they'll continue to leave. I know what you're thinking. You want to make sure your newcomers to know what you're saying, but keep it short and keep on bringing the fresh and the new information to let your audience they feel like you will keep updating the new information to them. So make it fresh, make it surprise. And this is the idea on how you control the length of your live stream and to grow your audience. And idea number four, you can cross promote your live stream. Now you see there are so many groups in Facebook, mini groups. You just join and share, cross promote your live stream and get more audience. And most importantly, content is the key. And you need to make sure you get ready for your skills when your audience, a bunch of the audience, they jump into your live stream. So this is a skill for you to make sure you can get them engaged, remain, and take care of your audience, make them happy, make them excited, make it a fun experience so that your audience they will like you, and in the end you can convert your audience to become your customers. And I've seen this idea works pretty well because I usually do this. And idea number five is engagement. Talk to your audience. Perhaps you can go for the Q&A, ask a question. Remember, the question should be a short yes, no, A/B. Do not ask an AC answer. For sure they're not going to answer you. Ask a simple question, talk to them, they reply to you, read the message, and you need to make sure engage with all of your audience, read your message, talk to them so that they will continue to stay, because the live stream, it is a real experience that it seems like I'm talking to you and we need response. When talking about communication, it is a two-way communication. Reply, talk to them, because for other live stream, I was just watching and nobody talked to me. So you are talking to me, I'll continue to stay. And idea number six, you need to move a little bit to bring your camera to do some tour in your house or in your shop or in your factory, to bring your audience to move a little bit so that people they will continue to stay. Wow, what is next? What is in here? What is in this room? People will continue to watch this. As you can see, most of the time, people love to see the progress. People love to see overall out of the curiosity curiosity. What is this room? What is next room? How does your storeroom look like? People may want to see more. And this is another way to bring extra values to your viewers or your audience about the tour in your house or in your factory or in the office. And idea number 7, share your expertise. Talk about this, it depends on your background. If your background is a model, you are a professional model or experienced model that you are teaching people how to do catwalk, that you can share some tips, some takeaway from your audience who are interested in this topic about model. For example, model, or another example, cooking channel or the cooking live stream that you will attract a lot of people. They love cooking, they love food, so that you can share your expertise. What are the skills, what are the secrets that you can share to your audience? People, they will continue to stay. Oh yeah, this is the result I want to achieve, this taste, this food, this cooking skill I want to achieve. And this is experienced guy, this is a cook, he or she is going to share the tips I want to continue to stay, and some important knowledge that I'm looking for, I will stay. And again, keep it excited, keep it fun, keep it informative, that the audience, they will love to see. You see, in live stream, online, why people keep on spending money to buy something? Because they want to buy a solution, they want to buy some products, something to make them happy, to solve their problem. And if your live stream, you are giving the tips, giving the information for your audience that this is a solution for them, they will continue to stay. They want to listen more from you. I will say it again, content is the king. So this is the king, this is your weapon to make your audience continue to stay. And idea number 8, you can create a brief tutorial on the tools that you're using. For example, editing skills, editing photo, editing video that you can share with the audience. Share the screens that I'm using certain programs, certain apps. For example, live stream, OBS, that how you're gonna edit with the colors and how you're gonna add on the logo. Share the tips to your audience that people love to watch this. Well, you may say, I can type in the keywords and search in YouTube and I can find any video just like that. But this is different. This is a real-time experience that you are sharing the tips live. People want to feel the live, the real-time, communicate in touch with the person. And this is the reason why people spend a lot of money to buy tickets, go to watch concert, go to dance in the concert. They want to feel that kind of feeling. They are buying this solution. They are buying this experience that you are giving this solution to the people, and people love this. And idea number 9, make a challenge. People love to watch. What are you going to do this? What are you going to achieve out of this challenge? For example, Mr. Beast, one of the top ranked YouTuber, 54 millions of a subscriber, he loves to make challenge. One of the example is run from the drive-thru for 1,000 times. So people may out of the curiosity, are you sure you're going to do this? Are you sure you're going to make this? But in live, you're not going to do the 1,000 rounds on the drive-thru. You can do something else on the challenge for the live stream. Perhaps you can do in the live stream example challenge the spicy food that I'm gonna add on certain spiciness in this food and I'll just eat this doing live, that people may out of curiosity want to watch. Are you sure you're gonna eat this? This is so spicy that everybody is looking, everybody is watching at your live. Some challenge. It doesn't mean you have to fix on the spiciness. It could be many things. It depends on the streamer's idea, the creativity, on what is the challenge that you want to do this. What is the bet that you're going to put on the title? What if I fail on this challenge? What is the punishment for me to do this? So people, they may out of the curiosity, they may want to watch this. This is so exciting. Seriously, are you going to eat this spicy food? Add on, increase the spiciness. Seriously, this may create the interest on the audience. They want to watch this. Are you sure they want to do this? Something that can attract me on a challenge. So you can consider this idea to put into your live stream. Idea number 10, you can create a flash sales on your certain product with a big discount that you've never seen this before. For example, 50% on your product promotion that usually 10-20%. And this round, I'm gonna give you 50%. And sure enough, your audience, they're gonna crazy. They wanna grab this product because they know this product, they like you, they trust your product, and they know the value is there, but the price, this is so special. People people, they know how to value your product, because people can search information at anywhere, anytime. They know the price. So when they know the price, this is undervalued, they will just grab it. People, they will just want to come into your live stream and grab the promotion, grab the best thing that they want. And this is one of the way on how you grab your audience, continue to stay, and you can make another one more step to get your audience. First, you need to share the live stream. With the sharer only, you can get this certain kind of the promotion. So indirectly, it can push your live stream. It can push your live stream and share to as many people as possible. So this is one of the way on how you grow your audience on your live stream. And idea number 11, you can do some talent performance. For example, if you are a great singer that everybody knows you, that you can do a little bit singing a performance during a live stream. So people, they know you, they love your voice, they love the way you sing, they will continue to stay, and they just want to, they just like you, admire the way you sing. And at the same time, it can grab more reputation and it can grab your audience. Once you have audience, you have a bunch, a huge quantity of the audience that you can convert your audience into your customers there and anything that you want. And this is one of the ways how to grab the attentions from your audience and make them continue to stay. They want to listen more to you, they want to talk more to you. Do the interaction. This is the moment you build your brand, you build your audience, you build your reputation, you build a rapport with the audience, with your friends. And idea number 12, you can host a contest to win away. That you can do two types of the contest. One is before the live stream, that you already have the contest, like and share the photo taking contest, and during the live stream is the moment that you announce the result, that you can grab all the attention your contestant to jump into a live stream. Or another contest which is in the game during the live stream, that you can ask the questions or the quiz on the certain tricks that your answers need to be correct, at least 8 out of 10. For example, it depends on the price that you design. The more expensive price you're going to give away, a little bit more complicated on the questions. Fair request, right? That if you are giving away the $20,000 prize, for sure your question is not going to be yes or no. Right, you're going to do some design a little bit complicated, but not too complicated. Then you need to know the level of your audience, because your purpose in the end, you want the audience to jump into your live stream. And then you need to design a suitable question to your audience in the price. For example, $5,000 prize that you're gonna give away. Before your live stream, you will have your posting that when certain and certain time, I'm gonna do this live. So you grab your audience, 5,000, it is a 5,000 giveaway, the contest. So everybody will just jump into your live stream. So this is one of the way you can create a contest, whether it's before or during the game or during the live stream, that people knows that you, most of the time, you will just give away certain thing, certain price. So when people know you, then you can get them, again, share the live stream. This contest is only for share. So people, they would just share and share and share. Keep on, grab the audience. They would just jump into your live stream. And this is the moment you can build your audience on your live stream. By the way you talk, by the way how you interact with your audience. The previous videos that I've made as a foundation. So this is the show time to use all your skills to apply into your audience. When there is a huge number of the audience jump into your live stream, showtime. If it's not now, when? Do it now. So I strongly believe this, all those 12 ideas on how you grow your audience on a live stream can really work on your live stream. I hope that it really brings value to your live stream, and I wish that your live stream can be successful in the coming future. And hey, once again, if you find values and learn something from this video, you gotta smash the subscribe button and turn on your notification, because I don't want you to miss any videos just like this in this channel. And please leave your comment below, and I would love to read your comment and I would love to reply to your comments. And I hope to see you in the next video.